Hi, I'm Nick Bonner for TreeStuff.com, and today I'm going to show you how to install the Notch Magneato into the Rope Runner Pro. First step is going to be to remove the slick pin from the Rope Runner Pro so that you can remove the existing tie-in point. To do that, go ahead and depress the slick pin, and then when you see the slick pin plunger in this hole here, you're going to push it with a small screwdriver and then rotate until you see the second plunger inside the hole here. And that's going to allow you to pull the slick pin out enough to get this piece out. From here, you'll just simply take the Magneato tie-in point, give it a little wiggle, and there you go. You've installed the Notch Magneato. Now to pick up your tie-in point, you simply magnet in, magnet out, magnet in, magnet out. There it is. That's the Notch Magneato. Thanks for watching.